Hello and welcome to Vlogmas. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Erica and I am the Lopsided Crafter, and you are at the Lopsided Crafter Loom Knitting channel, a place where I hope to bring loom knitting more to the community versus just YouTube loom knitting tutorials. Today is day 8 of Vlogmas. Can you believe it's been 8 days already? Wow. Did y'all have a good weekend? I did. Enjoying, relaxing. I got a new toy, but I'll discuss that in tomorrow's normal daily vlog. I love it. Anyway, let's start with the yarn. Day 8 for Arkansas Yarn Company. Slife and Gry, I think is how you pronounce it. Y'all know I butcher words sometimes. Ooh, that's pretty. That is a very beautiful green. I'm gonna have to pull all these out at the end and show all the yarn together in one frame there. That is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And now, on to Ruby and Roses. Ruby and Roses, day 8. And for number 8, we have Koselig. Koselig. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Let's see the color. Ooh, that's pretty. Nothing else in there. Isn't that pretty? So it's a bit more green, seafoam green, than it's actually showing on camera, at least from this side. Sometimes the editing side, the colors come out a little different. That is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Did you like that? Isn't that pretty too? Oh, I love, love, love opening the yarn every day. But honestly, I love opening it all at once too. Okay, guys, I don't really have much more to say than that. You know, I'm trying to keep these short and sweet. So until next time, stay happy, stay cozy, and may all your socks find their matches. Bye.